Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a more thorough review on the SheFit leggings. So I received a care package from SheFit, and if you look at my last video that I posted about SheFit, I did a whole haul on all the things that they had got me, and I gave my initial reaction to all the products that I received from SheFit. And for those who don't know what SheFit is a very innovative sports bra company, and what they do is they have the zip in the front, and then they have the Velcro for the straps for you to adjust, and then it also has Velcro in the back, so when your weight is fluctuating you can adjust the bra. And it also has the best support of any sports bra I've ever had. But they are coming out with a little bit more product, and one of the types of products that they've come out with are their leggings. So I figure, since you guys love when I'm super duper thorough, sometimes I like to, just show you the product and tell you my reaction. But sometimes I want to tell you like very specific details of each of the products and why I would prefer one product over the other. And for those who do not know me, my name is Leslie, and I am super excited to meet you if this is your first time on my channel, or if you're here multiple times, welcome back. So I really want to suggest that if you love this video, if you love to see plus size product on a plus size woman, I would like to consider myself a real plus size woman with a bigger chest. You want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell, so that way you can see all the awesome brands that I review. I love doing this for you guys, and the crazy thing is that I really should get a move on this, because I just got LASIK eye surgery like 2 days ago, and I shouldn't be in all these lights, but I'm here for you. I'm doing it for you. I do upload every Monday, but it seems as if I'm getting a lot of product more recently that I might have to double up on my videos. So I might be doing like Monday and Thursday, but I'll let you know when that happens, okay? So I'm actually wearing the first outfit, so let's get into it. So do you want me to? I am gonna put in the description box where I got this bra, so you could just click on the bio if you have not. This is the SheFit Ultimate Sports Bra, and then the star of the show is the SheFit Boss leggings. Now this is one of the first pair of leggings they came out with. I have about 3 pair of these, and I want to discuss with you a couple of features about them. The thing about these particular leggings are that they are a mix of nylon and spandex. I originally had a 1 Lux, and I thought that maybe they were just too small, so I upgraded to a 2 Lux, and they still feel like they're gonna slide off my butt. So my story about these leggings is that one day I was taking out trash with my sister, and my hands were full, and slowly but surely my leggings started falling down, and my whole butt was out. Like literally outside, my whole butt was out. So the thing about these leggings is that they do slide down. So a part of me feels like maybe they just don't fit me, and another part of me feels like it's just the material. I don't like feeling like I have to lift up my leggings in the middle of a workout. So these are not my favorite of all 3 of the leggings I'm going to share with you. So the really cool thing about them though is that they do have a skin feel. They do feel like you're naked. They're not very like heavy. You won't get too hot because they're super duper lightweight. They also have a really awesome high waistband, so it has a little bit of tummy control. However, they do slide down a lot, but that's just my opinion. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion whether I got the product for free, for half off, or if I buy it. So let's just make that very super clear. These are my least favorite leggings in their collection, okay? These leggings I believe go for $68. I'm pretty sure I've only seen black ones. I don't know if they have any other colors. Another really cool feature that comes with the leggings is that each of the leggings come with a scrunchie. That's something cute about SheFit. They always have us feeling like really super duper, like you feel like I'm getting a PR package. I always say this in all my videos. You always feel like I'm getting a PR package every time I get something from SheFit. They always, give you a laundry bag. They give you extras, on top of whatever you're receiving. So I really love that. So the next legging I'm going to get into is SheFit Pocket Legging. These next 2, I can't pick between which one are my favorite, but I absolutely love them. So I'm going to get into the pocket legging next. I forgot to mention I have wore all of these to the gym, and I'm sticking with, again, that the black boss legging is my least favorite. Sorry. Give it about a 6 out of 10. Okay, let's get to the next one. Okay, I do have the next one on. They do come in 2 colors. I have this really bright color, which is, I think they call it a Rise. And then they have like more of a reddy pinky color, which is called Allowed. So let me show you. These are the pocket leggings. It has the SheFit here in the back. They also have a matching SheFit bra to go with it if you love this whole color. This color is very popular these days, the bright neon colors. So this material is also nylon and spandex, so I don't know what the difference is between their boss legging and their pocket legging, except obviously they have the pocket, but for some reason it's like they use a little bit more material and they do not fall down, they do not move, they are comfortable. I don't want to take them off. They're as soft as butter. I've actually already washed them and wore them to the gym, and when I tell you, I've gotten so many compliments on these leggings, it's not even funny. It even has like the tummy control a little bit. Obviously I'm wearing a lighter legging, so you're gonna see a little bit more belly. That's just how life works. But girls, these leggings retail for $108, so there's a huge price difference, but the price difference really shows a difference in the leggings. These, I honestly, I just love them so much, and I always say that I would never promote anything that I wouldn't buy myself. This is something that I would either want for Christmas, or I would literally have to be splurging. Like, my birthday's in April, so this is something that I would splurge for myself, because just because I had a chance to try it. A lot of people don't want to spend so much money on a legging because they don't know if it's worth it. When I tell you these leggings are worth it, oh my god, they are worth it. There's no legging that you can get on Amazon, Gymshark, you name it. You're not going to find a more comfortable legging. I've never tried Lululemon's leggings, so I wouldn't know about that. But for working out, I'm literally so comfortable. I got these in a 2 luxe. And when I tell you, I mean, obviously the pocket is a plus. I love that. But the quality, you cannot deny. You cannot deny the quality. The really cool thing about these leggings as well is that they have a design all throughout it. You probably can't see, but if you looked really up close, they have design through it. On the website they call it like 3D design, because technically it's not just like, you could feel the texture. They're very textured, if that makes sense. So you can feel the design. I don't know how they did it. I'm not a freaking designer, but it's awesome. They have obviously the waistband is really, really high. As you can see, it comes up really, really high. So if you feel uncomfortable showing your belly, you don't really have to worry about that. You can feel comfortable wearing the sports bra and the legging. All right, and then, like I said, all their leggings come with the scrunchie. I think you can kind of see the texture. Let's see if I can get this to, there it is. You see that texture there? That's all over the leggings. So clearly they put a lot of thought into these leggings. Cannot deny that at all. All right, last but not least, I have on one more legging. Like I said, I work out in these, and I would give these a 9 out of 10. They're literally amazing. I wouldn't lie to you. If I'm going off of price, I would give it like a 7 out of 10, because nobody wants to spend $108 on leggings, but everybody's lifestyles are different. Maybe you can afford that. If you can't afford it, maybe it would be a good thing to splurge on, or it would be a good gift. So babes, if you are a man on here and you're looking for something for your girlfriend, boom, this is it. This is it. All right. So I'm gonna get into the next legging so you can see that one. All right, I have the last legging on. I'm really super excited to share it with you. And if you really enjoyed this video, or if you made it this far, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button. That really helps me, okay? So I have the SheFit velvet legging. Don't forget, all these things are going to be in the description box if you want to purchase them, including the SheFit Bra. I'll also put all the other reviews on the SheFit Bra if you want a little bit more information on that in the description box, and I'll also link it in the video somewhere. Okay, so let me back up. Now, these are my most favorite leggings. They are super comfortable, super high waist, super soft, super innovative, just super everything. I worked out in these, and my big fear with them was that once I washed them that it would lose the quality. But if you follow the instructions on how to wash and take care of these leggings, you don't have to worry about that. So these are also made out of nylon and spandex. I don't get how everything is made out of nylon and spandex. That doesn't make any sense to me, but whatever, that's what the website says. And so their website also says they're uber soft, ultra plush, and velvet delivers all the feels without traditional vocal velvet. When I tell you these are super lightweight, these were the most comfortable to work out in, and I didn't think it would be. I thought it would be a little bit uncomfortable. And when I tell you, I do like a lot of jumping around. Like, I do dance classes, I do really heavy squats, I do a lot of stuff when I work out usually. And when I tell you, like, these feel really good, they feel really, really good. The thing on their website does say that it holds shape and color wear after wear, because that was my biggest concern. Like, what are the odds of velvet leggings looking the same after working out with them so many times? The quality just seems so amazing. These leggings are $99, so the price probably justifies why I love them so much. It's funny because of course I like the medium legging, like right in between price wise, right? So yeah. Also, a little scrunchy. You can kind of see the material a little bit up close, but yeah, I adore them. And they also have the cute sports bra that goes with this. So they all have sports bras that go with each of the leggings. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy this descriptive discussion about the SheFit leggings. I really hope that you find something that you like. If you do, please go ahead. I have an Instagram, _African Unicorn. Send me your gear. Show me that you got some things. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you didn't like. Also, comment below if there's any other brands or products that you would like me to try, so that way I could do all the hard work for you, baby. All right. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.